is the first time we're making slime and it's too... Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh. Look at this, a phone fan. So Nathan's slime kit came in. I know I could just buy the ingredients at the Dollar Tree or at the 99-cent store, but this was on sale for like $7 anyway, so I just went ahead and got it. And also it is scented. It says right here it's scented, yeah, blueberry and strawberry. So we are going to play with this and make some slime later on. Okay, so I just opened the slime kit and it comes with glue and a slime activator, and this is scented pots of color. I don't know, it looks like pink and blue. And it comes with cups with lids and some popsicle sticks and a spoon, I believe, for mixing right there. And 2 mixing bowls. There's 2 in here. Of course, instructions, and I don't know what these stickers are for. I guess they just had it in there just to have it. But me and Nathan are gonna play with this later on. I'm telling you, I love Amazon. I swear we get packages throughout the day. I don't stop shopping. All it is in this pack is the screen protector for Nathan and Nolan's iPad. This is a 2-pack actually. I got it off Amazon and I forgot how much it is. I think it was like less than $10, but I'll put it up on the screen so you guys can see how much it is and where you can get it if you want to get a screen protector for your iPad. And then I got a new case for Nathan because his is getting old and dirty and he wanted a new one. So this is kind of like the one he has already, but the other one he has is light blue. It's kind of like that blue. And he wanted a dark blue one, so it's the same thing. And you can do it like that to stand it up. This is from Amazon as well, and I will put up the link, or I'll show it on the screen where I got it off at Amazon, so you guys can see if you guys are interested in this or that. Okay, so this is the slime I made, but I think we did something wrong because it's so like, this is the first time we're making slime and it's too gooey, like it sticks to the skin, like we can't even play with it. So I'm not sure exactly what we did wrong. We're gonna try it again with Nathan's, and if there's enough, I'm gonna make another one for myself. They're starting to get.
Ooh, this is hard to mix.
Okay, it looks like it's not as gooey. Just Okay, let me see. Hold the plate and I'll help you. It still looks like it's super. I hope it doesn't stick. Okay, try taking it out.
It doesn't stick on me, see?
Try taking it all out with your hand. If it starts sticking, then we're still doing something wrong. I don't know what it is. So me and Nathan are gonna play this. I'm gonna set it up. It's so cute. It's so tiny. It's like a little travel. Well, it is a travel size. So cute. Let me set it up. How cute and small this is. What I like about this one is, oops, you can put these little chips right here and it holds right here. The regular checkers doesn't have that. Or at least I don't think they have it anymore, or they never did, but this is cool. So it holds all the little chips. It's cool. Oh, I connect 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woohoo! I won! Get this on video. I'm gonna give him a bath.
Dang, you know how to climb already? Like 1.5?
Oh my gosh. What? This is the Best Buy in Compton. It is the smallest Best Buy I have ever been in. Oh. See, this is it. That's it. That's it. Okay guys, this is my section right here. Hey! I need to look for a bigger gigabyte SD card. I have 32 right now. I need to look for an extra battery for my camera because sometimes I run out or the battery dies. I don't know if I'm looking at the right ones. No, these are Sony. They're rechargeable ones. But I need an extra one, so just in case it dies on me, I have an extra backup. Just like I'll have an extra SD card backup for if it runs out of memory. Look at this, a phone fan. I want that. It says one full charge delivers 3 hours of fan power. It's only $5.99 too. Okay guys, this is what I ended up getting. Just another 32 gigabyte SD card. And Mike got another, what is this? Screen protector for his Apple Watch. This is like your 4th one, huh? 3rd? Are you sure? Because you know. Okay, whatever. 4th ones. The other ones fell off. The other ones got cracked. I don't know. Whatever. But we're ready for our weekend with another SD card. Okay, this is where we decide to eat. We haven't eaten here in a long time. TGI Fridays in Compton. Just me and Mike. The kids are at home with my grandparents.